Now, I will demonstrate and explain one of the most important skills in volleyball, which is attacking or spiking. Attacking is the actions of hitting the ball over the net with power, control, and proper timing. Stay light on your feet so you can move quickly. Tips: always keep your eyes on the ball. So the awareness, communicate with your teammates to avoid confusions and ensure a smooth play. For a right-hand player, the common approach is a three-step approach. Number 1, small step forward with the left foot. Step 2, bigger step with the right foot. Step 3, quick step with the left foot again before jumping. For left-hand players, the steps are reverse. As you move, your speed should go from slow to fast. Your arm should swing naturally to help build power. Stay controlled in balance.